Hello YouTube again. I know it's been a while since I made my first video. This is the dirt bike that I took the gas motor off of, and a few people have asked me some questions where I got all my parts and everything. I went to a website called TNC Scooters and I ordered the electric motor, the controller, which is on the other side here, which is a 36 volt controller, and also the electronic throttle. It's just a sensor inside. The motor came with a smaller sprocket on it. I thought it would be big enough for this chain. This is actually a number 520 chain, which is pretty huge. The sprocket came on, the motor was too small, so I actually took the original sprocket from the gas motor to a machine shop along with the other sprocket, and they actually cut the teeth off the small sprocket that came on this electric motor and put it inside my original one and welded it for me. So now I've just got one solid piece made of the two sprockets that fits the motor, because the motor has what they call a dual D bore inside, and the original sprocket, the hole was way too big, so they've combined the two for me, and I just actually got it back yesterday after a month and a half and was able to ride it again. Once again, like I said in my first video, this thing only goes really about 12 miles an hour. I wasn't thinking at the time when I ordered my parts. This is a geared motor. It's 600 watts, 36 volts, but it's geared, so it doesn't turn as fast, and I'm planning on getting a different motor that's not geared. It's just straight out of the end of the motor there, and hopefully this sprocket will be able to fit that one, and it should go faster. I'm going to keep the 36 volt setup. I've got my charger port here and just a huge toggle switch. I don't have any kind of contactor or anything, so if I ever decide to up the voltage, I would have to do that, because I doubt that switch would be able to handle that type of voltage. And I've got a couple of huge fuses here that I'm running my power through, just in case, because you never know. I'm no expert on this, so anyway, that's all for now. Thanks.